Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Formosa Fantasy, and on my channel I do hair, makeup, sometimes vlog, or maybe even a review on my channel. And I've now started a beginner series, so you can check that out. So today I felt like trying a new palette I've had for a while. It's been in the drawer, so this is what it looks like. It's the Profusion Matte Palette. Profusion Cosmetics Matte Palette. I got it at Walmart and I used it to create this look. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's more neutral colors, earth tone colors in it. So yeah, it's very beginner friendly palette. It has a lot of colors, transition colors and stuff like that. So it's fully matte with the exception of this color, which is black with some shimmer in it. It's not that potent, but it is. Let me swatch it for you. So as you can see, it has little sparkles in it, that's all. It's not like a shimmer, it just has hints of sparkles. So yeah, but let me address the elephant in the room. Guys, thank you. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. Yeah, I know. Hello. Yeah. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. So I made this here a while back, maybe about a month or two ago, and I'm just gonna wear it today. I think it's 12 or 14 inches in length and it's curly hair. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting all the hair back because I wanted to prep it so I can put it on. So I took some Vaseline, I could not find the hair oil, and I placed it on it, and then I sprayed the Gots to Be spray on top, and then I use my hot comb to press everything down and put everything away, so I have no worries to apply it on my head. So now I'm taking my powder, my foundation powder, on my cap because I'm not doing no ball cap method, and then I'm putting some on the front part of my lace. Now I am just checking it to see how it fits from ear to ear, and then I'm going to lift the front part up. Then I'll be using the Gots to Be glued, the one in the black bottle, as you can see, because it's a clear one, and I'm just placing it on the front part, and then I am just spraying the spray on top of that. I'm not gonna wait till it get tacky. I don't know why I didn't. So I guess I was too impatient. I'm just putting the lace where I want it, and then I am using my fan to dry it. Now I'm cutting the front part of it, and I'm pressing it down with the end of my edge brush. Yeah, so now I'm doing the other sides, but now it's time for the sides. So I'm putting the Gots to Be on it, and then I spray it down, place it over it, hold it down, and then I use my fan to dry it. It's just a repetitive process, so this is what I did all the way through. Now that all that's done, I am taking some small scissors and I'm cutting away the lace. Carefully cutting away the lace because I do not want to cut myself because these are some sharp scissors. See, I'm just cutting until I get to the end part. You must be wondering why I didn't pluck it. I just wanted to finesse it just as it was. So now it's time for baby hairs. So yeah, I'm just taking out some sections and I'm using my hot comb to press everything back, and I'm just taking the scissors and just cutting it to the length that I want it. And I'm using my Gots to Be glue, gel, whatever you want to call it again, and I'm just placing it on my baby hairs, and I'm just playing around to see how I would like it with my edge brush. So I'm just making some swoops, some swoops, so whoops, there it is. So yeah, so I sprayed with the Got to Be spray, free spray, and now I'm just taking another fan and I am blowing it. Yeah, sideburns time. So you can do your baby hairs however you like. I don't know, I just felt like doing something, so I did. So yeah, that's it, and then I tie it down. Time for makeup. So I'm going in with my P. Louise base in number 3, I think. Yeah, and I'm just patting it in, and it was too dark, so I went in with this concealer, light ivory from Shop Miss A, and I buff it in with that on top of it, then take that and get the excess off. Now it's for the palette. So I'm taking this shade right here. It's like a black brown, more on the black side shade, and I put it in my crease, creating the shape I want. Then I take this brick brownish reddish color and I am putting it on top for the blend. And now I'm taking these two colors and I am putting that right above that color, second color, and in my brow bone. Now taking some Vaseline to cut my crease because I wanted my crease to be sharp. I wanted it to cut you know what I mean? So I'm just cleaning it up in the shape that I want, and then I'm using a Q-tip to get away all that. Yep. Taking another P. Louise base, Rumor number 0, and I am just going over what I created with this so that I can go ahead and apply shadow. This is the white one. So yeah, I'm just creating my shape, and then after that I am buffing it out because we don't want no lumps. Nope, we don't. We want evenness. So I'm going in with this, what you call it, like a reddish burgundy-ish, I don't know, it's a color. And I'm placing this down first, and then I'm going in with the lightest orange first, and then I apply the yellow, and then I go in with another, it was a darker orange because I don't know, I never liked the lighter orange, so I just put the darker orange on it, and whatever I had left on the brush from the black, I am just putting it on the outer edge. Yep, you hear my son in the background, man, I tell you. Now I'm taking liquid matte black liner. You can use any one that you have. Mine is from Shop Miss A, and I'm just creating a wing. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Now I am taking a metallic orange liquid liner, and I don't know, I just wanted to go over on top of that. Yeah, I'm just creating a line at the top. I don't know, I guess I wanted some oomph. So now it's time for foundation. I'm taking my Truly Matte foundation I forgot the shade, CLM 360 or something like that. Yeah, that's what I'm using for foundation. And I took two concealers, which was the correct yellow corrector and the cool tan, and that's what I did for that. Now time to finish the hair. So I'm just creating a part which I end up changing because I don't know, I think the top of this was like 10 inches. I never liked how it looked, so I changed it. So now this is conditioner water. Yes, conditioner water. So it's just some water, and then I put conditioner in it, shake it up, and voila. Yes, that's what it is. And I'm just spraying it in the hair because after all, it's curly hair. Look at those curls. Oh my God, the juicy. You might be wondering why the quality is different in this. My other phone, because I film with my phone, so the other one was not having it. I don't know, it was giving problems, so I parked it for a little bit in this video and I took up another phone. The quality is not that good, but you know, a girl got the video out, so please forgive me. Please forgive me. So look at those curls. Look at those curls. I'm combing it out. Yeah. So this is what I was talking about. See? I don't know. I just never liked how that looked. I'm thinking of cutting it, but I guess I won't because I don't have any this length. So this is why I changed it. So I did my hair in a center part, took the hot comb, and I, you know, make sure it's semi-flat. Look at my son in the background. Oh my God, he's always there. So I'm just making some twists. That's all it is at the front, and I pin it down with bobby pins. It wasn't neat or anything. It was just something to get it out of my face. And I did it to the other side and pin it down with bobby pins. Now to finish the eye, so I'm taking that color right above the black that I used in the transition, and I'm starting at the outer corner and working my way in. So I'm taking the orange, a lighter orange, and I'm going in the middle, and then I take the yellow and I bring it there. So this is another metallic liner. It's a gold one, and I'm putting it right where I place the yellow, and then the orange metallic one I place where the orange is. Then line my eyes with black liner. Thank you, beauties, for staying tuned to the end. I hope you enjoy this fall-esque autumn type look. And yeah, don't forget to like, because it helps me out. Share. Why would you want to keep all this good stuff to yourself? Comment, because you know I would love to hear from you. Subscribe, because it's free, so why wouldn't you? And hit that post notification bell if you never want to miss an upload. Also, you can follow me on all my socials, which will be linked in the description box below, but everything is linked under Formosa Fantasy. Thanks again for watching, beauties. Bye.